uniforms in this year's Republic Day Parade 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the fanfare on the bugle announcing the arrival of the chief guest of this morning's program, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, His Excellency Shri Satyapal Malik. May I request one and all to kindly rise as we welcome the chief guest in our midst. Receiving the chief guest is the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasias District, Ms. Isawanda. The Honorable Governor is a former Union Minister, parliamentarian and politician serving in many capacities in his long career, both at the state and central government. Next, ladies and gentlemen, is the contingent of the District Executive Force Meghalaya Police, led by ABSI A. Morte. And finally,
there is no room for complacency. Our frontliners are at the forefront waging the battle, and it is up to each one of us to help them win the battle by supporting them. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau by the Office of the Director of Health Services, MRI,